I heard two men crying an old prayer under their breath as the waves crashed into their lips, and the tide welcomed two men into death with such rhythm, I swear that it was sad. And old St. John blessed the water as it broke and cleaned the city of all that it had. 10,000 men with their daughters in their laps. Such a show, it's hard to compete with that. Follow that river from this town to the darkest forest, to the mountain built by man with his own bare hands to protect St. Peter and all of his land. I saw two men hang